Shemai Bawb. This is a video called multiplying a decimal tenth by a whole number. So we have 6 3/10 multiplied by 4. From classwork, we know that 6 3/10 times 4 will give us the same digits as 63 times 4. It's just the decimal place that changes places. So basically, if you know how to do a multiplication without a decimal, you will know how to do a multiplication with a decimal. So here's how it works. First of all, we need to take note of how many decimals we are working with. In this case, it is 1 decimal place. So I'm going to make a note to myself of that. 1 decimal place. Now I'm going to do the math. I'm going to take off the decimal. Because I'm using a whiteboard, I can just rub it off. But if you were using a pencil or paper, you can just write it down next to the original question, like this. 63 multiplied by 4. Because I know in class you've done multiplying 2 digits by 1 digits, I know you can do this. Okay, so I'm going to do the math now. First, it's 4 times 3 is 12. So I put the 1 up there and the 2 down there. Now 4 times 6 is 24. Add the 1 to 25. So my answer is 252. Well, that's my answer for 63 times 4, but not for 6 3/10 times 4. So I'm going to go back to my original question and just write the digits in. Okay, now I need to ask myself, where does the decimal go? So if I go back to my reminder of 1 decimal place, I need to remember that if my question contains 1 decimal, my answer needs to contain 1 decimal. My decimal goes in there. So my answer for 6 3/10 multiplied by 4 is 25 2/10. Okay, so now you are able to multiply a decimal tenth by a whole number. I've written some down. I'd like you to practice and upload to Seesaw so Miss Rogers can have a little look. Don't forget your workings out. Good luck, guys. Hol vow.